Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and think for a second where you always hold your tension. For me, it's in my neck, my shoulders, and my upper back. This extra large heating pad from Sunbeam has been the ultimate tension reliever for me. I absolutely love the size of this heating pad. Because it heats all the way through, when I wear it, it really puts heat all over my shoulders, my neck, and my upper back. It covers such a nice area that after just a few minutes of having it on, I just really immediately feel a light release and nice warm compression. I like that this heating pad covers my upper back and my shoulders completely. It has a really nice magnetic closure which wraps around your neck and holds it right in place. This heating pad is extremely soft too. The fabric on the outside makes it really comfortable and nice to the touch and just so soothing. I feel like it has a really slight weight to it, so when I do put it on, I just feel like I immediately stop from scrunching my shoulders and let them naturally down. This is a true tested heating pad. I actually ordered my own after using my mom's for many years. I truly love how comfortable it is and how warm it gets and just how easily it helps me to reduce some of the tension in my body. And that's my point of view.